and welcome aboard this 1995 45-foot Sea Ray Sundancer. Exceptionally shiny, nicely waxed hull, stainless steel rubber rail. Fairly new canvas, U-zips in the isinglass. One new short cord. All the extension short cords will convey with the boat. The transom was set up so if you want to pull a small inflatable or hard bottom up manually, you can. Step into the cockpit. All the upholstery looks good, free of rips and tears, so common in boats of this age. Canvas all looks nice. Big companion seat for the helm. The Marine Raytheon raster scan radar is still operational. It has been supplemented with a Garmin 5212 touch screen for navigation, as well as a fairly new standard Horizon VHF. The engine hours on this boat are 1,783. One of the great things this owner has done is replaced the salon floor. Turn the lights off on me though. Stand by. White mica galley, separate refrigerator freezers, 3-burner stovetop, microwave oven, to starboard you have the big couch settee, overhead storage, 110 and 12 volt lights. The head can be accessed either from the master stateroom or from the cabin. Forward is considered the master in this boat. Overhead deck hatch, big hanging locker with a full-length mirror, how you doing? And another big hanging locker as well as a makeup vanity. Those beautiful faux wood floors continue throughout the boat. And then of course the hallmark of any Sundancer is the mid cabin. Sleep another 2 people back here, and they have their own head. And there is a privacy door which will come across. That concludes our tour of this 1995 45-foot Sundancer.